In this video I'm going to show you how to read and understand a violin finger chart like these. Coming up. Hi everybody, welcome back to Violin Lessons Online. This is an online violin school for beginners and advanced players. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Visit my website so you won't miss anything. I am using finger charts like these in my tutorials in order to give you a clear explanation on where to place your fingers on the fingerboard. In order to understand the instructions I'm giving you in this video, you need to have finger markers on your fingerboard, like I do. If you don't know how to do it, I have a video about that, link in the description. Alright, so I suppose you have all finger markers on your fingerboard right now. A finger chart is a representation of the fingerboard of a violin. This here is a blank finger chart, and these are the 4 strings. Sometimes I use finger charts without strings, like this one. This happens when a certain song is played on one single string. In that case, you get the string name along with that chart. These lines represent the finger markers on your fingerboard. This one is the first finger marker, this one is the second, this one is the third, and this one is the fourth. The fingers of the left hand are referred as first finger, second finger, third finger and fourth finger. We draw circles with numbers to represent your fingers. A circle with number 1 shows you the position of your first finger. A circle with number 2 shows you the position of your second finger, and so on. If the circle is on a line, like in this example, we place that finger on that marker. If the circle is not on a line, like in this example, we place that finger in the exact middle point between the previous and the next finger marker. In this example, we place the second finger exactly between the first and the second marker. And in this example, we place the first finger exactly between the beginning of the fingerboard and the first marker. Every song might have a very different and unique finger chart depending on its tonality. It's not important if you don't know what tonality means. Just keep in mind that the key signature, which is that set of sharp and flat symbols placed together at the beginning of the staff, determines the tonality of the song and affects the finger chart. Let me show you an example. For the tonality of G major, we have this finger chart. All 4 fingers on the G and D strings are placed on the markers. On the A and on the E strings, first, third and fourth fingers are placed on the markers. The second finger is placed between the first and the second marker. Let me show you another example. For the tonality of F major, we have this finger chart. On the G string, first, third and fourth fingers are placed on the markers. The second finger is placed between the first and the second marker. On the D string, we have the exact same situation. On the A string, the first finger is placed between the beginning of the fingerboard and the first marker. The second finger is placed between the first and the second marker. Third and fourth fingers are placed on the markers. On the E string, we have even a different situation. The first finger is placed between the beginning of the fingerboard and the first marker. The second finger is placed between the first and the second marker. The third finger is placed on the marker, and the fourth finger is placed between the third and the fourth marker. Before you play any song, you must analyze its finger chart first and memorize the positions of the fingers in order to play the song correctly. If you have any questions, if you think there is anything I'm missing in this video, or if you have any requests on which video you would like me to do next, simply let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, visit my website so you won't miss anything. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.